Maitha, tell me, how many cats do you have?
27. Yes.
27 cats. Is that normal or is that?
Our house is like the weirdest Emirati house you will see.
I think when a lot of people think of Arab Emirates, they think of luxury, tallest building in the world. At least for me personally, not so much is known about the actual Emirati people. So, found this tour. I've just arrived at the house and I'm going to be asking lots of questions. Without further ado, the first thing you got to do in an Emirati home, take your shoes off.
Usually she will put her hand on her chest. That means I don't shake hands with men. Some men they do, some men they greet each other with the nose touching. In the past they had a full hand. The only way was just to...
Alright, so now we're going to try some Emirati coffee.
Giving the cup forward means I want more. Shaking the cup means thank you, I'm done. If you don't want to drink it, you just pretend that you're drinking it. But you never say no. We call it shayla, but you can, define it as a headscarf. In the Western society, they have the hair flip. Yes, we have it for our shayla like this. The hijabis are the one who are not showing their hair. I'm just properly covered. It is less revealing, being modest, and that's it. We actually have 20 of them. They're all black from different designers. We wear jeans, we wear skirts, we wear everything that you can expect. Everything.
Would you enter as a man if there is a group of women?
What I think he should do is wait. We are very worried about men touching us on even shoulders.
So we've all sat down on this rug.
Majboos is one of the most popular dishes, so tell me when to stop.
Thank you so much. So now, we enjoy the feast.
It is amazing. I'm quite full.
How does it compare to a southern US dinner?
Less oil, my blood pressure is alright.
It's my first and I really enjoy it.
So if you're the youngest, it means you have to...
I have to serve everyone.
I'm happy that he came, finally.
So now we've finished the dinner.
It was a different world. It was nothing, like completely nothing. It was just sand. A lot of civil wars happening. They just needed to survive. So after the oil, so many changes happened. So she's in a different country. Until now, my grandmother, she refuses to go to escalator. Takes me up, but it's not connected to anything. So they're really scared.
And now we're going to talk about women and marriage.
Just one.
Just one wife.
Just one. If I get two, it will be a disaster.
And what's this called again?
Mkhammariya. Basically, Emirati sense is one of the rituals that we do every day in our houses.
Which one's your favorite?
This one.
This is oud. Basically, we put it under him, and then we make sure that we don't burn anything.
A person should be loyal to his country and his royals.
For me, it holds really huge meaning. Your roots, they lived here, they survived, and they have built all of this. Surviving. Keep this until the end, and not just, see it as only a passport or a nationality.
يعني مش إمارة واحدة استوت سبع.
It was very emotional. For her specifically, we have lived our life having nothing, and now, alhamdulillah, we have everything. It was in the past about one specific emirate, but now it's 7. One objective and one goal. She's seeing a really bright future.
How do I say thank you in your language?
Shukran.
Shukran.
Thank you.
Souvenir. Got a souvenir. So that brings us to the end of an incredible Emirati house experience. Did everybody have a good time?
Thank you very much, Oscar, for your visit.
If you guys are in Abu Dhabi, check it out. I'm going to put the link in the bio. I think it's actually quite important to do because it's so different. Life is so different here. Maitha did tell me that next week they're upgrading the whole experience, so if any of you decide to book it, it will be even better.
Come and visit us, and we will be very happy to have you here.